Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the eighth type of an operating system is desktop operating system. A desktop operating system is intended for use in a small office. In Where we use the desktop operating system, normally you saw the desktop operating system in a computer lab. You all are using the desktop operating system in your home, in offices. We use the desktop operating system. A desktop operating system is intended for use in a small office, home office environment with a limited number of users. For limited number of users, we use the desktop operating system. Normally, for learning the computers, we use the desktop operating system. In our lab, we use the desktop operating system. You have seen there are two types of computers: desktop computers and laptop computers. A desktop OS has the following characteristics: support a single user. It will support for only a single user. Only one user can use this at a time. At a time, only single user can use this type of operating system. Run single user applications on this type of operating system. Then ninth types of an operating system is DOS. What is the meaning of DOS? DOS means disk operating system. A disk operating system is a computer operating system that can use a disk storage device such as a floppy disk, hard disk drive, or optical disk. There are three disks: floppy disk, hard disk, and optical disk. We use this for save the data. If you want to save data, we use these disk storage devices for storing the data. Then DOS was the first operating system used by IBM. IBM used this first DOS operating system. It was originally available in two versions that were essentially the same but marked under two different names. First one is PCDOS, means Personal Computer Disk Operating System, and MS-DOS means Microsoft Disk Operating System. It is originally available in two versions, in PC-DOS and MS-DOS. Then DOS uses a command. There are different commands in DOS. First, these all are commands of DOS. PWD means in disk operating system. If you want to use a disk operating system, we should know the commands. If you want to operate this type of operating system, we should know the commands. Then if you type that command, it will open. See, if you want to open the print working directory, then you should type the PWD. PWD is the command for print working directory. Then CD is command for change the directory. If you want to change the directory, you should use the CD command. DIR means to display list of files or folders. If you want to see the files and folders list, so you should type the DIR command. There is a specific command for each. You should know that all commands if you want to use this type of operating system. Then MD to make new folder. If you want to make a new folder, then MD is the command for to make a new folder. Then CLS to clear screen. If you want to clear the screen, then you should use the CLS command, means clear the screen. Then quit. If you want to quit whatever window you have opened, then quit is the command for to quit that windows. These all are commands. There are other different commands also. If you want to disk operating system, you should know these all commands. Then 10th types of an operating system is client server operating system. Client means we all are clients. Client server denoting a computer system in which a central server provides data to a number of network workstations. Then a server operating system specially designed to run on a servers, so which are specialized computers that operates within a client server architecture to serve the request of client computers on the network. Means client can uh, client client can give request to the server, means server will response to the client. Then server operating system are such as web servers, mail servers, file server, database server, application server, and print server. There are different servers. Then server operating system are designed to provide platform for multi users for critical network applications. This is called as a client server operating system. Means client can request to the server if they want some data or anything. There are different types of servers. You have seen here web server, mail server, then file server, database server. These all are servers. Then 11th type of an operating system is Windows operating system. Windows operating system is, we all are familiar with this Windows operating system because normally we use this Windows operating system in our PC or laptop. So we all are familiar with this Windows operating system. There are different operating systems: Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 16. We will learn in next video. We will discuss about Windows operating system in next video.